Okay, everybody, we're gonna come back to you, and Stephanie gets to taste her non-dairy ice cream. All
There you go.
right, all right. Let's see.
Nice and thick.
All fresh, organic strawberries. What do you think about that, huh?
It's delicious.
It's delicious. Okay, all natural, all natural, all natural. So we're gonna do. We're gonna freeze it up, and now she has an opportunity later.
Try the kids taste it. One of them wants to taste it.
Yeah. You want to try the kids? All right. So kids, let's just.
Christina, come here.
Want to try it? Let's try it. Now, for those who are trying to get some healthy food into the kids' diet, look at this, Tina. Let's see what Tina.
What do you think?
What do you think, Tina?
It tastes like
Tell,
ice.
tell the camera. Tell them what does it taste like?
It tastes like banana ice cream.
Banana ice cream. Okay, you like it?
Yeah, it's delicious.
It's
Cake.
delicious. Look at that.
It tastes like cake.
So non-dairy, all natural way to bring healthy food to your family. So we're gonna get this freezed up, but we're gonna put together just a quick bowl. How you can use this, and mine use protein in here. So I do all natural protein that you can add. And so what we're gonna do is just dress up a bowl real quick and show you the idea that what you can do for breakfast instead of drinking your protein. So stay tuned, we're gonna come right back to you. All right.